We're here at our historic Baptist meeting house at Frying Pan Farm Park in Herndon, Virginia. We're celebrating the Juneteenth holiday by talking about stories of the freed enslaved people who were congregants at this church, and then a little bit about the people who were here after the Civil War, the freed men and women, and a family that lived on the property and who attended this church after the Civil War and into the 1900s. Juneteenth represents a new birth of freedom. It represents hope and resilience in the face of difficult obstacles, particularly for the enslaved people pre-Civil War who wanted their freedom, hoped for their freedom, and finally got their freedom. We'll have focused tours at individual spots throughout the church, the grounds, into the woods. We'll be talking about stories of the people who we know were in this church pre-Civil War. We will have exhibits that you can look at, objects. You can flip through our Meeting House Minute Book and learn about the people who were here. You can go out to the cemetery and learn about where the African American congregants were buried. You can find out where the Lee family, the family we're focusing on that lived here after the Civil War, where they were and what they were doing. And then you can go out into the woods and see the spring and the baptismal pond where they were baptized. We have a Juneteenth celebration every year. It's become an integral part of what we do at Frying Pan Farm Park. We look forward to it every season, and we're going to continue to do it into the future. So if you're interested, come out. We advertise online. We'd love to have you come and see the place and learn the stories that we want to tell.